All right, I just got this in the mail. It's a desktop vacuum cleaner. Came all the way from China. So, let's see how we open this thing up. I guess we could open it up from the bottom. It seems to just do that. All right, here we go. Let's set that to the side. Let's take a look at it. We got some operation instructions. And there it is, look. Does it, we may have to do some, turn something on. I don't know. Press this, this. Does it take batteries? Oh, interesting. Comes apart. Put it back together. All right, we're gonna have to do some reading on this. Let's take a look at it. So it's got on and off. So this would be off this way, right? And on would be that way. Oh, batteries. Okay, so we got to put some batteries in there. And then we put the battery in there. So let's go ahead and see if we can get this to, oh, there it is. Oh, we can need 2 batteries. All right, so I got some Rayovacs. They're a little bit different. It says AA, 15 volt. But this little thing right here is stopping it. That's got to be that's got to be this part here. That's got to go like that. That's got to go in like that. There we go. That one's in. Okay. Now this one, the positive's on this end, it says. So I don't know. That doesn't make any sense. I mean, it doesn't really make any sense. Okay, I put it in. Let's see if it works. Try it. Oh, shit, it works. We figured it out. All right, so those are in. And close it like that. And we put this on here. And now we've got a vacuum. You just go over your thing, just like that. All right. And then I guess you pop this open and throw all the dirt out. So we'll try that out. Okay, let's try it out. It's definitely picking stuff up. It works. Okay, that's how you do it. That's it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like that.